Annyeonghaseyo, Jane. Okay, so Jane is here at the study room tonight. It's because she asked permission to me to withdraw some money from her Cebuana account. So, pila galito lang ga? 1,000. Okay, para sa Kylie is your sister, no? Okay, napakan sa iyo. Okay, so she is asking permission to me to get some money from her Cebuana account. It's because of her sister, younger sister Kylie, which was bitten by a dog lately. So, pila gali edad ni Inday Kylie? 2 years old. Okay, so she's asking to withdraw 1,000 pesos from her savings so that they will go to the city hall to get injected by anti-rabies with her sister, younger sister Kylie. So, kinsa may mauban ni mo ang nanay, grandmother. So, ang mo-withdraw kay mo ang auntie. So, ina lang si Auntie Malini mo nga kanang ipasend ang balance inig ka human og withdraw, ha? Okay, so kumusta naman ka? How are you?
I'm good.
Okay ka? Wala ka napugos? Okay, so asa man day muhang money pag live? Di ba mo withdraw man ka 1,000 pesos sa Cebuana nimo? Okay, pila galito mo na dawat pag live? 8,600. Okay, so she received 8,600 during the live event here in our area during the donation month. So including na sa 5,000 katong savings and okay, so it is included with the 5,000 pesos given by Nobles Nim for her savings. So, kung nakadawat kag 8,600, niya, included na ang 5,000. So, ang dawat rin mo nga donation is 3,600. Right? Okay, so, asa man ang 3,600? Balo ninyo. Okay, so, pila may gihatag nimo sa imong nanay? 800. Okay, sa imong grandmother. Para sa inyohang kung sa mga groceries, kaon ninyo dito sa balay. Okay, so 800 pesos. And then, asa pa man ang uban?
1,000 kay pang ihatag ni mama.
Sa imong mama? Di ba nasa jail yung mama? So nihatag mo og money adto. Kisa nihatag imong lola? Okay, so the 1,000 pesos was given to her mother in the jail. So, sunod. So, na kay 1,800. Asa man ang uban? Kisa may gitagaan nimo?
Sila, timaril sila tatay.
Tatay nimo, so imo lolo. Pila may gihatag nimo? 200 pesos. Okay, so so imuhang lola gitagan nimo 800, na imuhang lolo is 200. So silbi nihatag kanila 1,000. Okay, very good. So sunod kay imuhang kinsa to? Auntie. Katong sige hulog sa Cebuana. Okay, so she also gave 200 pesos to her aunt. So nihatag kasi mong mama og 1,000 niya sa imong lola, grandmother 800, and then to your lolo also 200 pesos, and lastly sa imong aunt 200. So a total of 2,200. Sakto? Nya asa pa man ang uban? Balon? Okay, sa inyong school. So the remaining money is for their allowance at school. So, ikaw rin nag-keep sa money. Si nanay rin mo. Pila may hatag taga klase ninyo, school nimo? 20 pesos. Okay. So, unsa pa may mong gipamalit sa imuhang money?
Palit ko snacks sa bahay.
Snacks ninyo sa school. Grocery mo daan sa snacks niyo sa school?
Yes, teacher.
Kisayo ba ni may muha kaya gihapong lola? Ah, very good. So, nag-stock ra mo og ka ng mga snacks sa inyo, ha? Oh, very good. So, Jane, the division of Jane's donation was the 5,000 pesos is already deposited in the Cebuana, in Jane's Cebuana account, which is given by Nobles Nin. And the 1,000 pesos was given to her mother at jail, and 800 pesos for her grandmother, 200 pesos for her grandfather, that is for the groceries, no, mga bugas, and to her aunt 200 pesos, and lastly atong pila din 400 pesos for your snacks, and the remaining money which is for their allowance at school. So it was kept by her grandmother because every day her grandmother will give them the allowance when they go to school. So uban na si Agong, imong younger brother, no? Okay, so imong studies kumusta man?
Okay ra.
Okay ra? Honor ka? Unsa may imong kuan dito multiplication? Mo na ni class look, bread ni multiplication, Jane, oy.
Nalabot ko sila, teacher.
Nana sila. Oh, ka very good. Ningon sila kay nga naman sige lang kag-answer adto. So,
Government makatubag.
ikay per me mo answer. Wala ka very good. Ay, okay. So ipadayon na ha, fighting.
Right.
Okay. So wala ra man ka napugos nga nihatag sa imuhang grandparents. Wala ka? Wala ka kanila gipangayon. Uy, Jane, gaikog 800. Wala. Ikaw kay nihatag. Wow, very good. So, how about sa imong mama? Wala ka kagingnan nga, huy, padali ko din ni Jane, og 1,000. Wala. Si ikaw ka pinihatag. Okay, so very good. So, since we already know about the division of your monthly donation, so I will let you withdraw the money, which is the 1,000 pesos for the injection of anti-rabies to your younger sister, ha? And then, ayaw kalimot, picturean ang balance, o niya, isend nako. Ha? Ina si Ate Marini mo, ha? And then also, if you can take video about sa kanang injection ni Kylie, you can also send it to me. If naalang, ha? Kung pwede lang. Okay? Ina si Ate Marini mo, ha? Makakaon na makakaso nyo ang balay. Kaon na ka? Mansay sudan ninyo pagkaganina?
Egg.
Egg? Ah, okay. Sige, lami. Okay, so fighting ha. Nasabot, oh, kaon daghan. Anya, stay healthy yun. If naakay problems or gigunalan kasi mong lula or unsa manggali ka na problema ninyo dito sa balay, oh, storya lang ni teacher ha. Siklit ka na nato. Okay? Oh, dili ka masabot si teacher if nga na ha. Pwede ra ka manuktok ni teacher sa kwarto. Teacher, teacher. Oh. Okay? Kasabot, oh, dili magulaw-ulaw. Kung may problema ha, dili loong. Okay na? Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida. Oh, tulog sa'yo ha.